बे खेलना नहीं आता तो खेलता क्यों है?
So the concept of Clutch was born back in December 2018. We were very, very clear that we wanted it to be just like any other sports drama, but focused on esports as a space. Basically, we set out to create India's first ever, large web series focused on esports.
अभी तो बता दो क्लच मतलब क्या?
क्लच में ना मैच के आखिरी मोमेंट में एक टीम में एक प्लेयर है और सामने वाली टीम में 4 प्लेयर है, और अगर वो एक टीम वाला प्लेयर जीत जाता है ना, उसे क्लच मोमेंट कहते हैं।
Shot one, take one. Action!
So from a creative aspect, we were always pretty confident that esports has become such a huge thing because everyone started streaming, everyone started like their own channels and stuff, that this was a market that we wanted to explore.
Professional gaming की एक बहुत बड़ी दुनिया, और जब मैंने उनके टूर्नामेंट्स देखे लिटरली, तो वो टूर्नामेंट्स का मैग्नीट्यूड बहुत बड़ा था। उनकी प्राइज मनी, उनकी ऑडियंस उसी तरह से चीयर कर रही थी जैसे हम किसी स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट को देख रहे होते हैं, मतलब उतना ही एंथुसियाज्म था।
As soon as we started our writing process, the pandemic began. So usually how writing works is you sit in a room and you sort of jam every day and you talk for hours and hours.
It was a paradigm shift for us. It was something that we'd never done before.
Ups and downs होते ही रहते हैं, इससे करियर नहीं बन सकता।
बाबा करियर क्यों नहीं बन सकता? करियर क्यों नहीं बन सकता? सब कुछ लक पे तो डिपेंड नहीं करता ना।
So we were looking to create something which is thrilling visually as well as concept wise, and something new and fresh, and of course that includes the topic that you're writing on, but it also includes the faces that you see on screen.
I think more than going with new faces, we just went and picked who we thought was the best for each role. We had like a very rigorous selection process for all of them.
5 मिनट लेट है बस, आ जाएगा।
नहीं आएगा। Hi, Arun.
Yes.
Prachi.
Prachi.
Nitin 99.
Oh. I'm so sorry. We were just expecting
A boy. I spoke to Aditi about it and she told me there's a show called Clutch and it's on gaming. Would you be keen on doing it? And I was like, hell yeah. And then I read the script. I was very excited. Prachi is a sports person and this is the first time I got to play a sports person's character. क्योंकि मैं कहीं भी स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड नहीं हूँ।
She's a great actor, super popular. We've been wanting to work with her on DICE for a long time, and she's of course a very popular face of Filter Copy as well.
I was very excited because I got to play a little bit of badminton in the show. And then again BGMI खेलने मिला and I've always been a fan.
कोई भी शॉट लेने से पहले क्या सोचती हो?
यही कि ओपोनेंट का नेक्स्ट मूव क्या होगा?
Exactly. यहाँ क्यों नहीं?
She's very confident, she's very sorted in her head, she's very individualistic, she's observant, she's intelligent. None of these things are with me.
7 साल हो गए हैं, कौन सी टीम लेगी अभी? बचता है सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन, खुद की टीम बना।
Well, yes, I auditioned when I was in Calcutta and I just got the script, and the first audition only was itself कि I'm lashing out at the players, and that was kind of a very important moment in the show.
कहाँ से लाए नूबड़े? और बना ले टीम।
तू है सबसे बड़ा नूबड़ा, तेरी वजह से जो है।
तेरे को चुप हो जाओ प्लीज, शट अप प्लीज, चुप हो जाओ प्लीज।
The funny thing which happened that I auditioned it and it was finalized pretty quickly, so I was like, yeah, I think I've got everything on point, I'm in the right direction. But उसके बाद during the last day of shoot, I met Ruchir, our director, and he said कि Vishal, you have done 200% better than you were in your audition. So like, ये audition मैंने देखा तो it was like okay, I think yeah. So
Guys, हो गया, it's okay, छोड़ो। ये सारी मेरी गलती थी, so I am sorry.
Yeah, I realized that my worst auditions have got me the best roles.
Vishal is a very popular TV face, and we thought he would bring different audiences onto our channel and to the show. He's done a really good job, so I'm really glad we went with him for Arun.
So this could be like your comeback. Think about it.
देख ऐसा है, कमबैक की जरूरत मुझे नहीं, कमबैक की जरूरत तुझे। मैं हमेशा से यहीं पे था और आगे भी यहीं होऊंगा, लेकिन तू अब जा सकता है।
तो मैंने YouTube पे काफ़ी गेमर्स जो हैं उनके ये देखने के लिए किया कि उनका बिहेवियर कैसा रहता है। मुझे पता था मैं इतनी जल्दी प्रो गेमर नहीं बन पाऊंगा, बट एटलीस्ट उनका बिहेवियर जो ड्यूरिंग द गेम वो बात करते हैं, मैंने काफ़ी कुछ वो देखा।
अबे एनिमी के सामने जाके खड़े हो जा, हाय भी बोल दे उसे।
और जो मेरा छोटा भाई था वो गेम खेलता है, तो उससे मैंने जो गेम की टर्मिनोलॉजी होती है, जो यहाँ जहाँ लैंड करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, क्या है इस पूरी गेम की थ्योरी क्या है, तो वो सब मैं बैठ के समझता रहता था। तो इस तरह से मैंने प्रेप वर्क किया इसका।
भाई मार क्यों नहीं रहा तू? कल मारेगा। यहाँ भी बॉट की तरह खेल रहा है, एक पॉइंट नहीं बनाया तूने, एक पॉइंट।
रौनक प्ले करना इसलिए मतलब थोड़ा सा टफ था कि उसमें वो गुस्सा बहुत करता है और मुझे गुस्सा ऐसे ज़बरदस्ती आता नहीं है। तो मैं उस प्रो गेमर को अपने जो मेरा प्रोफेशन है उसकी सीरियसनेस से बैलेंस करके मैं उसको प्ले करता था कि अगर मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ और मैं बहुत फोकस हूँ और कोई मुझे इरिटेट कर दे तो मुझे किस तरह का गुस्सा आएगा।
पार्सल इधर छोड़ के जाने का, अंदर जाने का अलाउ नहीं है।
मैं पार्सल देने नहीं आया हूँ, मैं जीतू, मैं वो अरुण और आदिल सर को मिलने आया हूँ।
Jitu is a very shy, very nervous, he's always conscious and he's underconfident. Like कुछ भी करने से पहले ना वो 100 बार सोचेगा कि ये मैं करूँ कि नहीं, ये मैं बोलूँ कि नहीं। So ये उसका कैरेक्टर है। ऑडिशन मिला तभी I was very happy that I got a chance to give audition for this character and I really love the character because I can connect to it.
Saurabh is funny, he's hilarious even on his personal page. We manage him as a talent as well. We thought that he could bring in a lightness and a comedic angle to the show very naturally.
अरुण भैया, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, हम इतना तोड़ खेलते हैं ना, हमें टूर्नामेंट में पार्ट लेना चाहिए। अगले महीने से तो वर्ल्ड गेमिंग लीग भी शुरू हो रहा है, पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं ना। When I had been introduced to the character Adil, so I was like, he's kind of me only. He's mischievous. He likes games. He involves with people, and I really did not need to get into the character because I was the character.
I am not very good with kids, to be very honest. So when I got to know that there is like a 14-year-old in the show, I was a little nervous. मैंने उसके साथ एक गेम खेलती थी कि तू 20 मिनट चुप रहे, मैं तेरे साथ एक रील बनाऊंगी। और ऐसा कई बार हुआ है that वो बेचारा रहा है 20 मिनट चुप रहा है क्योंकि उसको मेरे साथ रील बना दी थी।
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
There are very few opportunities that come in your way in the time when you work on a sports drama. That is the reason why I call it a very special for me. Apart from that, also the fact that it is an esports thing that took the difficulty level a little higher then because there is no physical thing that is involved in it.
Regarding the production, I think this is one of the toughest productions we've done. There were a lot of locations kept getting bounced. COVID situation didn't help us at all. Then we were planning to shoot in monsoon, so the rain didn't help us at all. And I think we prepped the show for more than 1.5 years. I mean, I was in my 20s when the show started and I'm in my 30s now. I think regarding the crew, at least Tony and me were pretty confident of certain people we wanted in the crew. Like I've worked with Snee before, who's a production designer, and she's done an amazing job on the show. Like the tournament setup looks like an entire actual tournament and that's completely fake.
I think I'd say the most challenging was, I'd say there were two. Of course, it was a tournament set. It was just huge and it was challenging in itself. We don't really have a lot of references to look up to in terms of like a huge gaming tournament in India. So we had to try to sort of create that scale for ourselves. I think ultimately what we achieved, everyone was really happy with it, and I think it looked great.
It could have been challenging, but I think like we prepped so well in it, and we went through all the whole shot breakdown. There were like not just one, but like I think about 4 to 5 set visits with the director, with our technical team, with the DOP, everybody.
Not only it was supposed to be a huge scale, it was something that we have been planning for months. We designed the set. We were thinking about how we could place them, where we could place them. So we knew that yeah, we will be shooting constantly. I will have a time to relax, but those 4 days were going to be really, really fun from a shooting perspective and from a visual perspective.
So that was challenging, and another setup was also paintball, because we had to sort of create this whole paintball arena in a warehouse in Mira Road.
We took up a very grungy old factory where we converted everything into like a paintball setup. We had like people, action masters and all, come and tell you how the stance needs to be while holding a gun and everything. We had a very nice cameo that day.
When I arrived, I was briefed about everything, and I came to know what is it all about. And I think that they are doing a wonderful thing, that they are giving exposure to gaming.
No one killed me. कौन मार रहा है यार? It beat Mamba killed me. Oh, yes.
In terms of post-production, whenever there is VFX work involved, there's always going to be a lot of issues that you face while you're working on post.
One of the challenges related around gaming and this particular show was getting the games recorded the way we want. So that became a bit of a challenge to find proper gamers, where I think Loco really helped us.
And we sort of did a very basic test run of how they are going to be incorporated into the whole show, into the whole edit narrative. Because showing your gameplays are really important to the audience, but it's also important that you capture the emotion and you capture the sort of the journey of the characters as well.
आपने नया लैपटॉप लिया? कौन सा है?
Region 7. अब प्रो गेमर होने कुछ तो फायदे होने चाहिए.
We've been very lucky to get two amazing partners in Lenovo and Loco on the show. Both of these brands are individually really pushing the envelope of e-gaming in their own right. And so they were just beautifully and organically integrated in the show.
अच्छा सुन, तू भी कह रहा था ना तुझे कुछ प्लेस पता है?
अरे हाँ, लोगों का ट्रेंडिंग पे मुझे बहुत सारे स्ट्रीमर्स मिल गए. ये देखो.
So with Clutch, we really wanted to push the envelope in terms of the kind of content we are creating on DICE. So far we've been doing a lot of slice of life content and, you know, lighter dramedies, but we're really foraying much more into high concept drama. We wanted to cover things that are actually currently going on in the country, especially with youth audiences. And for Clutch, because esports is just becoming such a huge phenomenon, within India, we thought that it would just be the right time to capture that craze for the space in the country.
I am feeling very good. We worked very hard on this, and I always knew it's going to do well. People are going to like it. Like I said, it's a very new concept.
It's my first web series, so I am very excited. There's a first character, जो I knew the beginning and the end of it. बहुत प्यारा शो बन के आया. डायरेक्टर वाज अमेजिंग.
बहुत कम टाइम पीरियड में हमें ये पूरा शो बनाना था, तो ऑब्वियसली रुचिर और मनुजा के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ये टफ था. उन्होंने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया और पूरी टीम ने मिलके इस शो को कंप्लीट किया और अच्छा बनाया.
My thing is like getting a good crew together. I understand you might be 8 on 10 on your work maybe, and if you're a nice person and passionate about the project, I feel like that really helps pull the show more than anything. But here the best part was everybody was 10 on 10 on work, and also they were equally passionate about the project as well.
Thank you guys, thank you so much.